We enjoyed this class as we immerse on how to do Maki Sushi and Nigiri Sushi and their history as well. Our instruction Kyohei and the team are really awesome in making sure we are guided and taken care of. Hands down. Highly recommended. They are located at the 5F of the building with kimono rental as the GF. The class was an amazing experience. It was both fun and informative, making it perfect for beginners and sushi lovers alike. The staff was incredibly friendly and welcoming, always ready to help and guide us through each step. The ingredients were fresh, and the instructions were easy to follow. I highly recommend this class to anyone looking for a unique and enjoyable activity. Very informative, clapping hands emoji, and fun to DIY sushi properly. The young assistants are very enthusiastic and always helpful in guiding the students with the correct molding techniques. Smiley face emoji, thumbs up emoji, smiley face emoji. They also share many fun facts while we are making, sampling, the sushi emoji, sushi emoji, sushi emoji, sushi, hand over mouth emoji. I hope they would provide a copy of the e-recipe because it is hard to take notes with greasy hands. We had a great time at the sushi making workshop, sushi emoji. The team was friendly and explained the process really well. The ingredients were all fresh and we were able to enjoy our sushi after. We just had a hiccup at the start because the tables were not yet ready when we arrived and took a while for them to figure out how to arrange it. Other than that, it was a smooth experience. Overall, would recommend it to visitors. Growing heart emoji. A tip for those who will join, make sure you arrive at exact time because they have a very small room. We arrived early and we had to wait outside the building because there was no waiting area inside the room. And consider not eating before the class because the sushi will make you full and they don't allow taking out the sushi. Sadly wasn't able to finish mine because we had lunch before going here. Embarrassed smiley face emoji. Fantastic experience in a really nice location in Asakusa with a wonderful view of the Sumida River and the Asahi Tower. The staff spoke perfect English and were all very nice, engaging and fun to be around, and perfectly explained and assisted in the process. We each had the correct amount of rice and assorted fish to make onigiri and maki sushi. The time given to complete the steps was enough and the results were stunning. All the fish were super fresh and delicious. I got the package with sake drinks, since I figured it was the perfect occasion to sample some. I hadn't had sake before then. I was right, and I was served 3 types of sake to drink along the sushi I made. Amazing experience, I definitely recommend it, and wish the best to the staff in their desire to expand and open more such workshops. Good job guys and thanks for the great evening. Amazing experience with Momo, Kento, and Kent. Highly recommended if you're visiting Tokyo. Pair with a sake tasting for added fun. I ordered a sushi making kit from Amazon after completing this class. Staff were super kind and enthusiastic about what they do. Sushi ingredients provided were high quality and everyone's sushi turned out at least decent. Rolling on the floor laughing emoji. Interesting history lesson too. Gained a new experience, learning how to make sushi in Nigiri Sushi. Immerse yourself in the sharing of Japanese sake. Sensei, the instructor and assistant, provided great information and assistance during making the sushi. The best class, sushi emoji. Thank you to teacher Yaya for letting me feel the local Japanese side and teaching me about Kyoto-style sushi. The atmosphere is very nice and she explains everything well. Taking a picture with an Asahi bottle in the window overlooking the Asahi headquarters is a rule. All the staff are very friendly and the atmosphere is nice. I highly recommend it. Thumbs up emoji. It was a really fun experience, being able to learn how to make sushi from its country of origin. The instructors are very experienced, and very easy to understand during the learning session. We will also be told the history of sushi and at the end we can eat the sushi we have made. The location is very close to the Asakusa station exit. Perfect afternoon. Staff were amazing and it was fun meeting new people while learning all about sushi. Ken, Dai, and Momo were amazing. They helped every step of the way. I highly recommend this class.